After mag-strategize, bumalik na ang dalawang teams para simulan ang laban.
Players, ready.
Ready.
Get set. Go.
Parang yung nasa isip ko lang po nun is parang mag-enjoy, pero at the same time, focus. Nandun pa rin po kasi yung mga natutunan namin ng military training na talagang kailangan mag-focus sa isang ginagawa.
Ang House Challengers umulit agad dahil hindi nasalo ni Joaquim ang Chinese yo-yo.
Catch. Kimi.
You go.
Kim, go back, Kim.
Lower.
Not too high.
You got it.
Go, Kim.
Kalma lang ang pagpasa, kalma lang.
Very good, kalma lang. Everything's gonna be all right. Very good.
Okay. Relax.
Relax lang, relax.
Yeah, go ahead.
Nice one.
Kalma lang.
Si Joaquim hindi ulit nasalo.
Tilting.
Pantayin.
Again.
I have no qualms whatsoever about not catching more times than the others may have. Hindi mo mapipin yung blame sa isang tao kasi kung hindi mo mag-catch, factor din yan kung paano i-throw and vice versa. It wouldn't make sense to linger on who caused the failure.
Pantayin muna before throwing.
Bago ipasa, pantayin bago ipasa.
May konting sayang, panghihinayang na, oops, sayang yun. Pero nakita ko sa kanya na go fight.
Ito, Navi.
Go guys!
Forward. Yeah.
Enjoy and focus.
Very good, Grace. Nice, Grace. Kalma lang.
Nice. Keep it steady that
Very
way.
good, Joaquim. Yeah, kalma lang. Very good. That's it, very good.
Yeah, keep it steady.
That's it, very good.
Whoa!
Hindi pa ganun kalalim yung pagsasama namin ng mga ex-housemate. Siguro sa first challenge namin, it's a good start para sa amin makapag-teamwork.
Apa.
Very good, pantayin.
Control. Go.
Sabi ko pantayin. Hindi. Anytime. Pantayin bago ibalik.
Go na. Patapos na kasi yung spin.
Sorry.